Morning student, today I have to teach you lesson number 7, symmetry. In previous class you can study about the symmetry. Activity. Take a paper and fold it so that it get divided into two equal parts and unfold it. Make a blob of the color on one of the parts. Fold the paper again and press it a little. Now unfold it. What do you see? The shape obtained is symmetrical about the line of the fold. So they can take their paper and fold it. They can make a diagram, bob, and in symmetrical. This is symmetrical, so that in this other picture also like that form. Activity number 2. Now take a paper and length of a thread. Dip the thread in color, place it on the one side of the paper, fold the paper over it. Keeping the folded paper, press down, pull out the thread by one of its end. Unfold the paper, you will see a picture. The shape on the other side of the line will be like. The one of the first, the picture that is formed is said to be symmetrical. I can take one paper and take the thread also and dip this thread in a color and place this thread in this like that. I can place the this is and cover this one, and I can trace this like that. So after that you can see that there is a another symmetrical figure is formed. So this is called as the symmetrical. Okay, think you about it. Do you recognize this picture? You can look this picture. This is the ambulance. So you can look the ambulance. You can see in front of the ambulance they write there the letters, but these letters are opposite ones. Do you recognize this picture? What do you think the letters written on the front of the vehicle are written the way they are? Copy them on the paper. Hold the paper in front of the mirror and read it. Do you see letters written like this anywhere else? So in ambulance the letters are writing in opposite words, but you can see this letters in mirror, so you can see in a right way. So this is the think about. Teacher Anil, Sudha, we can see ourselves in the mirror. That is our image. What is different about it? Teacher Sudha and Anil stand in front of the mirror and they can look their image on the in mirrors. So what they can look there? Sudha, I have pinned my badge on my left, but it appears on the right in the image. She says that she pinned my bandage on left, but she can appears on the right of the image. She can left standing in left, but she appears on the right. Anil. Anil, my image in the mirror is as far behind in the mirror as I am in front of it. And you can say that my image in the mirror is behind, but I am in the front of it. Sudha, teacher's pallu is around her left shoulder, but the mirror it appears to be her right shoulder. But though you can do this experiment in home, you can stand in front of the mirror and look that your image is stand two or three persons there and look their image. What you can see there, what you can find that. Teacher, we and our image are symmetrical with reference to the mirror. But why this is happen? Because our image, when you can look in the mirror, our image are symmetrical with the reference. That is why that is form. Let us form reflectional symmetry. Next topic is the reflectional symmetry. There is some letters are given A, H, M. Write the English capital letter A, H, M in a large size on separate sheets of paper. Fold the paper so that their two parts will exactly on each other. Mark with the dots the line which marks two equal parts of the figure. This line is called as the axis of the symmetry of the figure. If a symmetrical figure get divided into bar, so I can write this letter. There is the A, H and A, H. So I can take this paper and write the letters and fold it. After that you can write that this is the imaginary line. This is called as the imaginary line. If a symmetrical figure get divided by an axis in the figure into two parts which fall exactly on each other, its symmetry is called a reflectional symmetry. So this is called as the reflection symmetry when you can draw the letter, write the letter in and fold it. After that you can get the line of imaginary. This is called as the reflectional symmetry. Some figures which have more than one axis of symmetry, the figures below are symmetrical. These are given there, some figures are given there. You can draw the symmetry imaginary lines there. So this one is you get exactly same figures. This is called as the symmetry. From this you can solve the practice set 20. Draw the axis of symmetry of each of the figures below. Which of them has more than one axis of symmetry? There are some figures are given. You can draw the symmetry and how much symmetries are there. You can tell. Write in all of this practice it. Write in a notebook and send the photo. Okay. Write the capital letters of the English alphabet in your notebook and try to draw their axis of symmetry. So you can write all alphabetical English alphabetical letter in your notebook and draw the axis of symmetry. Which ones have axis of symmetry? Which ones have more than axis of symmetry? So do that one. Use a color, thread, folded paper to draw symmetrical shape. Observe various commonly seen objects such as tree leaves, birds in bright pictures of historical building. Find symmetrical shape among them and make a collection of them. So solve this practice set in your notebook. Okay, students.